Hello, good day, and welcome to another edition of Let's Find the Good. And where we left off yesterday, we're talking about our wheel of life of balance and assessing our life. We touched on spiritual, personal growth, relationship, and today, money and finance. Money and finance. In the day where we're cooped up and there's a lot of uncertainty with money and finance right now, it is something to really focus on and learn about in these times that we have time to learn at home right now. And so if we look at money and finance and we say, hey, is it important? Is it not important? Well, tell that to your mortgage or the grocery man. We need to pay them. And so money is an essential part. And for those of us that have put some money aside, we can be more comfortable in uncertain times like this. But for those who didn't, well, we can learn from this and make sure that we do better and make better decisions. I'd like to share with you something from, his name is Eric Offer. And Eric Offer says, in times of rapid change, learners inherit the earth, while the learned find themselves beautifully equipped to deal with a world that no longer exists. How true is that? How important it is to learn. And he tells us about it right here and there. And so also, he talks about that to learn, we need to have a certain degree of confidence, not too much and not too little. If we have too little, we think that we can't learn. And if we have too much, we will think that we don't have to learn. Well, in that approach, let us think of we need to learn. And talking about money, well, let's talk about the law of compensation. What I mean by the law of compensation? Well, it clearly states that the amount of money that you earn will always be an exact ratio to these 3 points. Number one, the need for what you do. And we can see it right now that everybody that's first responders, doctors, nurses, the medical field right now, there is a big need for what they do. Absolutely. And thank you so much for all these people are doing. It's much appreciated and much needed, actually. And in comparison to, for example, let's make on the other spectrum, if what you do is underwater basket weaving, well, who needs that? So there's no need for what you do. So let's make sure that there's a need for what we do. Number two is your ability to do it. How good are you at doing what you do? And it's tied into number three, which is the difficulty there will be in replacing you. So these are the three laws or the three components of the law of compensation. The need for what you do, your ability to do it, and the difficulty there'll be in replacing you. And by far, the most important point to focus on is your ability to do it. Become a master at whatever you do, at whatever you want to do. And let's take advantage of the time that we have more time being cooped up at home right now, again, to study on the things that you like, your passions, or become better at the trade profession that you do. Do it with passion. Learn more and more so that your ability to do it will grow and you'll have more and more of the law of compensation, putting more money aside. So if ever, God forbid, another situation like this happens, you will have enough money put aside so you can be at peace. Again, as we're learning together and we're growing together, making a difference, using our own abilities to develop, grow, and contribute more will enable others to be better, and also our families will be able to take care in a better way. Once again, let's always look at and looking for the good in everything that's around us and keep smiling. For the people around us need it. Definitely, they do need it. So I wish you a great day. Looking forward to talking to you soon. And hopefully, we can all use these things to become better individuals ourselves. Thank you and have a great day.